Right, so based on what we've seen on the first two, we would expect that for 5 books on a shelf, it will be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2, which is 120. 120 ways you could put 5 books on a shelf. Somebody do it for all my books over there, okay? Oh, I have no idea. No idea. Okay, so here's the general rule, right? It is that if you have n books, then the number of ways you could arrange them are, you multiply n times the number less than it, which is n minus 1, times the number less than it, which is n minus 2, all the way down to 1. Well, the last one doesn't really matter, because you multiply times 1, you get the same thing anyways, right? When you do that kind of thing, that is called, you write that like this, n and an exclamation point, which is that called factorial, n factorial. N factorial, like 5 factorial means 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That's what the exclamation point means. Okay. Now, most of the time, you don't actually have to, your calculator does this for you. If you look in and this is where you need to make sure you're aware of all this. If you go to the math menu and you arrow over to this PRB right there for probability, and you notice the number 4 option, there's your exclamation point. So this is the way, if I wanted to do 5 factorial in the calculator, you start on the main screen, first put the 5 there, and then do the math PRB 4. Enter. 120. Okay.